Hello, so welcome to Easy IELTS, and today we look at lesson number 3, talking about discuss both view and give your opinion. When you write this type of essay, always talk about two opinions. Even though some opinion you don't agree with, just write both of them. And the structure that we use is for introduction. You can say something like, it would be argued by some people that XYZ, in my opinion, however, ABC. Body 1, you try to talk about XYZ. For example, you can start with, on the one hand, there are a number of reasons why some people believe that. The first reason is, another reason is. In body 2, you want to talk about ABC. On the other hand, I would argue that ABC and explain why. I don't know, for conclusion, although some people think that XYZ, I personally believe that ABC. Conclusion is just write the introduction again. That's all. Okay, so now we go into layout, body 1, body 2. Okay, body 1, we talk about the benefit of a single sex school. Body 2, we talk about the benefits of mixed school. Okay, for single sex school, boys and girls, they learn separately and prevent them from early relationship so that they focus on their study and have good study result. And boys and girls have different learning needs, so school provide teaching style or subject choices for only boys or girls. That's all. You only need like 2 ideas. And for body 2, we're talking about mixed school. Okay, mixed school, they join together, their community, their communication, teamwork, they need for future job that develop their communication skill. And teach them about gender equality, give a chance to learn from other perspectives about similarity and differences. Okay, so now we start writing. For the introduction, again, you can easily write the introduction like it would be argued that by some that it is more benefits so to send students to single-sex school. In my opinion, however, they should enter mixed-gender education. Okay, so now we go into start writing body 1. Okay, to start with, on the one hand, there are a number of reasons why some people think that students should study in single-gender school. The first reason is, when the boy and girl are taught separately, there are little chance for early relationship. Without worry about the distraction, students might be able to concentrate more on their study and therefore might get higher academic results that go at co-ed school. Co-ed school is like mixed school, but you don't want to use mixed school, use co-ed school. Okay, so that's the idea number 1. The idea number 2, another reason is boy and girl have different learning needs. Therefore, it is better for them to be taught separately at single-sex school for offer teaching style, subject choices, and learning programs that are entirely focused on either boys and girls. And then we move on to body 2. Body 2 is talking about mixed school. Okay, on the one hand, I would argue that it would be better for students to enter mixed-gender education. Firstly, students study in co-ed school. You can use like mixed-gender education or co-ed school, the same meaning. Right? Second, it might help them learn wide range of skills such as education or teamwork, which are necessary for their later job. Okay, for their future job, you can say their later job. And secondly, we're talking about second idea. Co-ed school teach them about coexist and gender equality. This is because male and female students, instead of you boy and girl, you male and female student, are given a chance to explore each other's perspective, their similarity and differences. Okay, we continue the conclusion. So in conclusions, although some people think that a student should be sent to single-sex school, I personally believe that mixed-gender education brings some more benefit for students. Okay, so this is our essay. So once again, write them down, study them, study the structure. Just think of like two simple ideas for one body, and then explain that idea. I'll see you again in another lesson. Bye bye.